For this tutorial, you will need a defender, tether, a workhorse control console, a tether strain relief, a VideoRay IP65 hand controller, an IP68 waterproof keyboard, and a 5 Hz GPS puck. Connect the large hoop end of the strain relief to the mesh strain relief on the female end of the tether. Thread the mesh through the large hoop end on the strain relief, and then pull the opposite end of the strain relief through the mesh. Apply a moderate amount of silicone grease to the vehicle tether whip. Avoid using your finger to prevent dirt from getting on the connection. Connect the female end of the tether to the male end of the vehicle tether whip. Make sure you screw the caps together when making the connection. Connect the smaller hoop end on the strain relief to the strain relief locking pin located on the back of the vehicle. Please note that newer defenders have a spring-loaded strain relief locking pin. Connect the male end of the tether to the female end of the control console whip. For this connection, it is not necessary to close the tether caps. Connect the VideoRay IP65 hand controller to the USB port labeled Controller on the inner side of the control console. Connect the IP68 waterproof keyboard to the USB port labeled Keyboard on the inner side of the control console. Connect the 5 Hz GPS puck to any one of the USB ports that are labeled Accessory USB. For a good signal, place the GPS puck somewhere elevated above the control console. Plug the female end of the power cable into the control console. And connect the opposite end to a power source. The manipulator will need to be released before starting the pre-dive check. You can find the manipulator locking pin on the side of the vehicle. While unscrewing the locking pin, push the manipulator in to prevent it from shooting out unexpectedly. When the manipulator is released, gently guide it out. To pitch the manipulator at an angle, push the manipulator back in and gently guide it downward. To begin the pre-dive check, power on the control console, followed by the vehicle. Open up the Green Sea software located on the desktop of the control console. In no particular order, begin checking the system functions, making sure they are in working order before deploying the vehicle. If your vehicle came with a GPS, extend it out from the float block. Rest the defender close to the edge of where it will be deployed. Begin lowering the defender by lifting the rear of the vehicle and tilting it forward while maintaining a firm grip on the tether. Provide a few feet of slack in the tether after it becomes buoyant. The tether will be slick after being in the water, so be sure to have a firm grip when pulling it back to the surface. Rinse the vehicle using fresh water. Remove the float block. And rinse the inside of the vehicle as well. Thank you for watching this quick start tutorial. For more information, go to VideoRay.com or contact our support team at support@VideoRay.com.